Hello and welcome to another Raggy's beer review. So today we're going over to the Isle of Wight for the first ever beer, for me anyway, from the Island Brewery. I can't seem to tag these people in on Facebook, so whether they've not got a Facebook page. Isle of Wight Brewery Limited, Island Brewery, and it's called Yachtmans Ale. There we go. New for me. Picked up by my daughter and son-in-law on their little trek into islandales.co.uk. Okay. So it's in Newport where they're based. So it says here, the addition of roasted malt produces a rich brown beer, counterbalanced by sufficient hops to rise the nose and to refresh the throat of the most parched of sailors in a subtle complexity of flavours and textures. ABV is 4.2%. So there we go. It's now Friday night. I've been out tonight and celebrated, took dog for a walk, celebrated the application micropub rather, and their 10th birthday weekend. Yeah, some nice beers. I had 4 beers. Technically, one was wife's. Did 4 beer reviews as you do, and yeah. Yachtmans Ale. So they said it's a brown beer. It does look brown. When I look from that side, it looks brown. From this side, it looks more coppery. With good carbonation on there, and a 2-finger white head. And it's amazing how colour can change, light and colour and all that. Best thing to do is do a beer review outside where light is not the issue. Apart from days where it's cloudy, and that plays up the lighting on the camera or the phone even. So first ever beer from these guys. Let's give it a punt. Malty aroma, a slight spice in the air for me. Malty, and again a slightly spicy flavour to it. Oh, Bayek, that's tasted nice. Yeah, it's a nice traditional beer. Modern traditional. Going down a treat, gotta be honest. Hitting the old raggy spot, shall we say. We'll pour the rest in and enjoy the beer. So today is Friday, tomorrow's Saturday, and I am driving up to Stockport and back again, so I shall be not drinking one iota. Got my wife's family coming over, so big meet up of the clan, as it were. Good to meet them again. You know, it's been a while. It's been a long while since I've met some of them because COVID. You know, COVID has destroyed a lot of families. I personally think, and I think the backlash of COVID also. In some ways, COVID also opens one's eyes to people who, and I'm definitely talking about family here, to people who you don't need in your life anymore. not just family, but acquaintances, shall we say. And you think to yourself, do I need these people? No. And yeah, it's certainly, yeah, it does open your eyes. I nowadays just don't bother. I see what they do and see where they go from there. And whereas back in the day, you know, you'd be the one crossing all the bridges. Nowadays, you stand on your side of the riverbank and think, okay, let's see what they do. And if they don't do anything, and don't do anything, and don't do anything, then, yeah. Or they only do things to get cakes from the wife, to money, gardening. And you think, so you're only really interested in us when it benefits you. No other time. And the sad thing is that with a lot of family, and predominantly family, my circle of friends is actually quite small. And again, friends from the brewery world, I've got some, you know, some that I don't see very often, but you know, you meet up and it's fucking hell, you know, it's like you be your best mates. But yeah, I mean, whilst I'm cordial with all of them, you know, I certainly know what the crack is, as it were. Can't be the only one this happens to. Did COVID awaken you to the fact that there are people who are only there to get stuff off you, who don't really do anything? And this is a thing. There are people out there who have no intentions of helping anybody in their life. And they just come for you for what they want and what they can get, and half the time for free. And for me, the best people, like myself, who just do things and, you know, want to help people because that's the person you are. And we're lucky because our happy drinker friends are very similar to us. You know, they'll do stuff because they are good people. And yeah, it's always the way. Oh, lovely. It's tasting really nice. Oh, Highland Brewery. Okay, new one for me. I need to try and tag them in somehow. Hopefully they've got a blooming Facebook page. I might have to think about doing the Island Ales. I can't find my normal phone, so I'm actually using my actual phone to do the beer review tonight. I can't find the actual beer review phone, so as it's fell on the floor, someone's picked it up. I don't know. Yeah, bit unsure of that one. Don't think I took it out boozing last night. No, because I borrowed the wife's phone. Oh, it may be upstairs next to the computer, because I wanted to do some stuff last night and I had to validate the computer, but it didn't work on that phone. I had to go downstairs and get this phone. So it might be next to my computer. You know, sometimes you look back and you're like, think, what did I do yesterday? Yeah, that sounds like a plan. So yes, that might be what happened. So yeah, going to Stockport on Saturday. You won't see this till Saturday or Sunday anyway, so I'll have already been and gone by then. I've got the live on Sunday, so I need to get my get it all set up, maybe do a pre-live just to make sure that everything's bloody working. Kind of tempted to do a multiple live, having Facebook, Instagram, YouTube blasting out a triple live. That would be funny. Yeah, trying to keep up the conversation though. YouTube's always king anyway, but yeah, it would be funny. It would. Could I do it? I'd have a bloody go. It'd be funny. Just for the crack, you know, just to say, yeah, I've done it. Yeah, I can see it. I can see myself doing something tomorrow, Saturday. I know the YouTube live would work, so it's the Instagram live that would be interesting. Yeah. Oh dear. Yeah, it will be funny. It would be funny. I'm going to have to try. Facebook Live beer review. Yeah. Do one of my own brews, so it don't really affect the balance of things. I was in Colton earlier and there was loads of fireworks going off, and this is like 5 o'clock. No, it wasn't even 5, it was like 4 o'clock. And it's like, what the bloody hell you got your fireworks going off for? Wazix. God knows what it was going off for. Middle of the day, fireworks. I mean, it's like, are you absolute tonks? Weird. So anyway, yeah. It's funny. I enjoyed that. Oh. Like I say, malty beer, slight spiciness, but good old traditional beer. Yeah. Would I drink it again? I think I would actually. You know, it's one of them beers that you'd like to crack again, see how it cooks. Yachtmans ale. Out of 5, 4.2 out of 5 for me. Yeah, enjoyable, modern traditional beer. Thank you for watching.